The next day.
Yo my dudes, welcome back to the channel. So today on the channel we are going to do a photo shoot. It's with a friend of mine, Ashraf. He mentioned that he wanted to do a photo shoot some time ago, but because of the whole coronavirus he's actually obviously off and he has some free time now, so we agreed to link up today. The shoot is supposed to be like a sunset shoot, but it is actually 2 o'clock on the dot right now. We are going to see if we can maybe get a venue such as Killarney. Then another car that will also be joining us will be Akil Parker's EK9 lookalike build. Just some facts on the car. What a lot of you guys might not know is I actually assist him with building the car. I sourced a few parts like the EK9 cluster, as well as I did the rear garnish, not the rear garnish, the rear diffuser for him, and as well as you can see the roll cage is very similar to mine as well. I think the same guy did to his roll cage as well. Then I also assisted him with the 16 spoons that he has. And then also I think we had a discussion of the paint color, etc. But I wouldn't say I play a big role in it, but I do have a big influence on the car as well. I did assist him with sourcing a lot of the parts, and I will assist him going forward. So that car will also be with us on the shoot. I actually wanted that car to be on the shoot with me because we have agreed to actually do a shoot together. He unfortunately is at work, so I will maybe be piloting his car, and then a friend of mine will be piloting my car. We do want to do a few rollers as well. Hopefully we can go onto the track, but if not, we're just going to find a few maybe those garages outside or inside Killarney. We'll just have a few shots over there, but the rollers will probably look pretty cool. So yeah guys, that is what we have planned for today, so let's get started. guys, I just spoke to management. They did say we're not allowed to shoot there because it's like their mall, and it's like, how can I say, promoting something to that effect. So basically they do not want us to shoot here, so we're probably gonna have to get another location. But we did get a few shots here at Honda, so I'm happy with that. But we'll see now if we can get another venue for the shoot.
A few moments later. Several days later.
Yo guys, so while I was editing the previous video, just noticed that I didn't actually add a outro. I just thought I'd maybe just add this outro for you guys, just to wrap up the whole day. Basically the people at Canal said that we can't shoot there because it would be basically promoting us on their premises, something to that effect. It could have even be the guys at Honda, because I did see them actually look out the window, so they could have maybe reported us. However, the shoot was successful. We actually got a lot of few shots. There is actually a video coming out, short little video, which will be after this. It will be like a bonus video. I think it's about a minute, and then all of the pictures is actually on Instagram. It's on my Instagram, as well as Akil Parker and as well as Ashraf. Then also this week's I would say YouTube exposure would go out to actually a friend of mine. His name is Luke. His YouTube is the local leather guy, so don't let the name actually fool you. He's actually also very good friends with Akil Parker and Yasin Parker. And Yasin Parker, they actually just he actually just posted a drift video of them some time ago, so just check that out, guys. And then besides the whole YouTube exposure, I was thinking of maybe creating a little challenge. Wouldn't say it's a challenge, but just some exposure for some Instagram cats as well. So basically what I want to do is categorize something. I think I'm gonna call it quarantine queens, because obviously everyone has to remain inside. So what I want to do is create categories where you guys can maybe just forward me pictures or videos of your cars, and I will expose it on the channel. Let's say at the end of every video, like we're doing right now. So the categories will be burnouts, that could also be new mods, so it could even be you just adjusting your coilovers and then just exposing it by maybe sending a picture. And then also car wash is also another one. And then also I saw a friend of mine the other day, his brother posted a picture, but the picture was actually photoshopped, so it made the car look a little lower. So if you do not actually to work on your own car or you're unable to, you can even send me a Photoshop picture as well, maybe of how you lower the car. It has to kind of look realistic. And then the main rule would for it to actually be, the picture needs to be at your house or in a garage. So it could possibly be maybe a friend's garage, but I most likely want it to be in a garage. The idea mainly comes from Adam LZ, where he had the whole challenge. I think it was called #burnouts at home. So he had that challenge. I think he put it on his YouTube as well. So that is where the idea came from. It is something that I wanted to do for some time. I see Rita. We actually had a conversation and he already posted a picture of his car. And he also hashtagged quarantine queens. So I'm maybe just use his brother's car picture as an example over here. So that is basically what I wanted to look like. And then you guys can just forward me if it's the video or the image. Most likely if the video is too big, you guys can maybe just check my email in the description below and you can send it via email. But majority of the pictures you guys can maybe just DM me on Instagram or whatever. I'm just creating this because out of boredom. I know everyone's bored at home, and just to expose everyone, Instagram, show guys what South Africa or Cape Town has to offer. Bear in mind it does not have to be an Honda, it can be any car as well. And it's also not only Cape Town, South Africa. You guys from wherever can enter as well. I wouldn't say enter because you're not really winning anything, but you guys can forward me pictures of your cars as well. I would actually really like to see it too. And then also I might just enter myself, so I might just do something to the car, to the EG as well, just something different so that I can also be part of the whole quarantine queen situation. So yeah guys, this is basically the outro. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Please do like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.